Shailesh and you're watching PHP tutorials. Today we are going to see error handling in PHP. There are three types of error in PHP. The first one is errors, second one is warning, and third one is notice. So these three errors you can use to handle any error in PHP scripts. Suppose if I want to open a file like for example any random file name no file.txt in a append mode, or let's say in read mode, and if I just save this with the name, to select all types, error handling.php, and refresh this one. So error handling, if I click, it is showing me a warning over here. So I can handle this error by using one method, that is nothing but die with the message, user defined message, that file not exists. And if I just save this and run this one more time, so it is showing file not exists. But what if I just want to show any error but not this warning kind of thing? So there I can use a file handling functionality. I just need to create one user defined error function which will contain the error number and the error message. So I can use this kind of thing. So I just need to add error over here, echo, and then I can write the file not exists. And if I want to use this function, so I need to set error handler function, which should have the function name, that is user defined error. And when I just save this, now just try to refresh this one, so it is showing only file not exist error. Now this line we don't need because I need to write my own error handling function. So if I just refresh this, it is showing file not exist. So that's how you can handle a user defined errors functions in PHP. Now let's say if we have some another error like Control Z, this should be as it is, and if there is a number like any number divisor equals to 0, so any number cannot be divided by 0. So this kind of error, if I want to check before running the program, divisor, if it is equals to 0, then it should trigger one error. So there is a function in PHP which is nothing but a trigger error. So it is going to give a message like number divisor number should be greater than 0. And if I just save this and run this, so it is showing fine. Oh, I just need to unset this. So if I just refresh this, it is showing notice divisor number should be greater than 0. Now if I want to change it, that notice, to some warning, so I can use user warning. This constant will replace that notice with the warning. So you can write your own warning over here. And if I just give the third one, that is nothing but error, and save it, then it is showing a fatal error over here. So you, in this way you can write your own custom message. Now if I want to link this with the custom function and I don't want to print this message, so I can use this user error from here to here also. So it is going to match with the same, and if I just refresh this, so it is showing file not exist error. So in that ways I need to pass this message over here. So if I just refresh this, so it is setting that error handler with this function, and it is showing the message which is coming over here. I can print that error number also by using this function and save See, you can see the 256 is a number, and if I just replace this error with the warning, so it should show say the 512 over here, and if I replace this with the error, and if I replace this with the notice, well, notice is a by default, so I just need to remove this, so it will show the notice number, that is 1024. So that's how you can create your own error handling function. You need to set that error handler, and whenever you need, you can just trigger that function. So that's all about the error handling. Thank you for watching.